Hey guys, Lily here, and in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you what to do if Spotify Shuffle is not working or doesn't seem random. So let's get started right away. First of all, let's just open up our Spotify app over here, and let's just pull up a random playlist over here. One important thing to note would be that if you don't have a premium Spotify account, you simply won't be able to shuffle straight from the song, so it won't be an option unless you already have a premium account. That being said, you can still shuffle through any random playlist even if you have a free account by pressing right here. You could shuffle through playlists, but not single tracks. One more thing to remember would be that the shuffle feature on Spotify often does not work perfectly. That's because the Spotify app seems to have an algorithm in its system that suggests what you want to listen to next as well as makes a prediction of what you'll want to listen to each day, based on what you've listened to previously. So, once you switch on shuffle, whatever might seem to the algorithm to be shuffle doesn't always make sense to you to be shuffle because the algorithm is still looking through all the songs you've listened to and, therefore, it thinks you like a random song and it may send you different tracks from that artist, which you might consider not essentially shuffle, but the algorithm is mostly attempting to estimate what you might want to listen to and the algorithm suggests all these. So, while the shuffle may not appear random to you, it really is the algorithm that's somewhat guessing what you'll like to listen to next. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.